So how can you not share Safari history across devices? Let me show you which options you have available. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and explanation videos like this one. So at first, if you're using the same Apple account on more devices, it's likely that Safari history and other data are going to be synced. So if you don't want that to be happening, go to the main settings app of the iPhone, tap on the account or profile at the top and proceed to the iCloud section. And part of the iCloud, you can see which apps are like synced over it. So you can tap on see all and find Safari on the list. It will show you how much data is getting synced currently, but you just want to turn it off at least on one device so it doesn't share the history or other like tabs or whatever with other devices on the same iCloud Apple ID network. So that is something you can do. Outside of that, going to the private mode within a Safari, make sure that the history is not synced across devices, like it doesn't even save it on the local device, so let alone sharing it to other devices. So you can use the private mode. That is why it's been designed to begin with, right? So you open in the new tab and switch from the regular mode to the private. That could get the job done. And also you can switch to a different browser, like perhaps just download the Google Chrome or Opera or whatever, and you'll be able to use the websites or access whatever, and it's not getting shared or synced with anything else, as it's like separate from Safari. So these are the options you have. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials so you don't miss it, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.